Welcome to Tech It's Simple. I'm here with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to change your edit name in Facebook Lite. Start your journey by opening the Facebook Lite application on your device. Once you're in, let's move to the next step. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. This action will reveal a menu. Dive into the settings by clicking on it. Within the settings, look for Settings and Privacy and click on it. This will unveil another layer of options. Continue by selecting Personal Information from the options. Inside the Personal Information section, you will find the Name option. Click on it to assess your current name and make the desired edit. Clear the previous name and input your new name. Keep in mind that Facebook has a restriction: you can't change your name again for the next 60 days. Once you are satisfied with the new name, click on Join. The platform will prompt you to input your password for security. Enter your password and submit. After submission, it might take some time for the new name to propagate across the platform. Congratulations! Your Facebook Lite name is now updated. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.